Hi guys, this is Miss Addys. First, I want to say I miss you guys so much, and I hope that you're here with me very, very, very soon. Now, today in this video, I wanted to talk about symmetry. So, symmetry means that there's a whole picture or a whole thing, and when you draw a line through that in the middle, both sides are the same. So they look identical, it's symmetrical. For example, over here, I have some things that are symmetrical. We have a heart. Now, if you draw a heart and you draw a line through the middle, both sides are symmetrical. They look the same. Same as with the square. Maybe not in my pictures, but they usually look the same. So if you have a square, you draw a line through the middle and both sides look the same. Most shapes are like that. A diamond, a triangle, an oval, a circle. So over here we also have a butterfly and we have us, people. People are also symmetrical. So if you were to draw a line, if you looked at yourselves in the mirrors right now and you drew a line in between, you would have one eye here, one eye here, and one arm and another arm. So everything that you have on one side, you also have on the other side. Now, for the art that I'm gonna be showing you guys today is going to be a butterfly because it's symmetrical. So what I did first, I got a blank piece of paper and I kind of drew the outer line of like the outline of the butterfly's body, which your parents can do that, okay? So once you've already done that, I want you once your parents have done that, I want you guys to cut it because we need to work on our motor skills and our cutting skills always, okay? We always need that. So we cut it out and it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine's not gonna be perfect either. So you just cut it. Okay. So once you've already cut that side of the body, I want you guys to fold your paper. So here you have my one side that I already cut. I want you guys to fold the paper in half. And I want you guys, not mommy or daddy, I want you guys to trace the outline of the wing, the butterfly's wing. And once you've traced the outline of the butterfly wing, I want you to cut it as well. Now, the reason that I'm having you trace it is because I want both sides of the wing to look as similar as possible because butterflies are symmetrical and we're talking about symmetry. Okay, so both sides are cut, and when you open it, it looks like a butterfly. Now, over here I have some paint that I got at the Dollar Tree. So it was $1. It's not very expensive, and if you guys don't have materials at home, you can always email us and we'll have them ready for you if you're willing to come to the center and visit. So over here I'm going to color only one side of the butterfly. So I don't want you guys to color both, only one side, okay? So you can pick whatever colors you want. It doesn't matter. You could do one color, you could do two colors, you could do rainbow, whatever you like to do. Okay, so I'm just gonna color it over here a little bit. I'm gonna use blue. I mean, you guys don't necessarily have to do a butterfly. You could do other symmetrical shapes if you want to. You can do a heart. You can do a person. And in case that you don't have paint and you don't really want to leave home, you can always just draw some patterns for your kids on one wing, on one side of the butterfly, one wing, and then you can have them try to trace those patterns on the other side, or you can have them just color the patterns the same colors so that both sides are symmetrical, so that they can see that symmetry. Okay, I'm almost done. So over here, we almost have all the paint on it. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to fold your wing. So I want one side of the wing, so this is my side painted, and I want you guys to fold it, and you're gonna kind of squeeze it with the other side of the wing. You can put it on a flat surface and just squeeze it. Okay, so now when I open up my butterfly, you guys are going to be able to see that both sides are symmetrical, so they're going to look pretty similar. They're going to look pretty identical. So here you go. You can see the yellow on both sides, the blue, the purple. Wait, it broke. It's okay. Things happen. So over here, you can see the symmetry. You can see the same colors. And like I said, if you don't have paints or you don't have any of these materials, you can always improvise. And that's all for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you do this project, please record your kids and record yourselves and just, showcase their work, because they're all amazing and they all do amazing work. So I hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.